Yo, dudes, this is Logan at Riskless Review, where I test products so you don't have to. So, today we're going to be looking at some BTS unboxings. Let's get to it. Alright, so today we're going to be taking a look at Max's new album, Color Vision. And so, the importance of this one for this channel is that it features Suga of BTS. So yeah, we're going to check out what the CD's like. And if you haven't already checked out the music video is pretty cool. It doesn't feature Suga directly, but they do a really cool part where during Suga's verse, him and I assume his girlfriend or wife, they actually learn how to speak in Korean and lip sync his part for the video. It's really cool. And they even have posted on their YouTube them practicing and kind of doing it behind the scenes as well. So definitely check that out if you like the track. I think it's a great song too. I think it's really good. I was actually surprised by it. I like the Rubik's Cube theme he's got going on here. A lot of yellow and the Rubik's Cube. So these have got the lyrics. They are very tiny. Even in person, these are kind of hard to see. Looks like that's showing up on the camera, though. I haven't heard any of the other songs from this other than Blueberry Eyes with Suga, so I can't really comment too much about the other songs. But I like what Max he seems to be a bright, optimistic guy. Seems to be some pretty cool, he's got good, funny videos. He seems to be a good friend to Suga. So, give it a check. So here we go. Here's Blueberry Eyes. Take a look at the whole thing. Let's get into it. So let's see. Oh, cool. So they provide the English translation of Suga's part. So that's pretty cool. And a clear featuring Suga BTS, so that's nice. So yeah, overall this the booklet's fairly simple booklet. Unlike, a BTS thing, you're not gonna get photo cards or anything. American industry is a little bit different, but this is actually still one of the better CD booklets I've seen on American releases recently. I always like when they put all the lyrics. I think that's cool. It allows you to, you don't have to go look it up online, trying to get, fans to do it. And usually even unofficial ones are sometimes tough and not as accurate. So anyway, it's a pretty simple one. Go check out the track. I'll put the links down in the description. I'll also put the link of Max doing the little preview on his YouTube channel of showing how he practiced for it and how they know how to actually speak all the words that Suga did. So pretty cool. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more BTS unboxing content. Talk to you soon.